really believe there was something outside of our ring. That's what matters. Yeah. Who's in a hurry to try to get through here? You're not going anywhere.
Right. Michigan's Upperland. Upper is upper, right? Upper Peninsula. So this bridge goes to Canada. And what is the name of the city on the other side, hon? It's called Sault Marine.
No, this is Sault Ste. Marie.
Oh, Sault Ste.
I don't know
Marie.
what's on the other side in Canada.
Oh my, that's a huge bridge. Huge, huge. Such a beautiful place, looks like. And this is called Sault Ste. Marie. We are close to the border here, people. Canada is just across the street, basically. And as you can see, the fall is coming. You can see the colors already turning. Happens to be late September 2020 when we are doing this filming. And it looks so pretty. Oh, mama. Sault Ste. Marie. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh boy, I'll tell you. So they have a lot of hotels over here, seems like. You can stay into a lot of hotels here in Sault Ste. Marie. Beautiful place, beautiful colors, very Americanized. True American city. Beautiful place, Sault Ste. Marie. So here we are still visiting Sault Ste. Marie. All the way to the other side, those buildings out there is Canada. This is Sault Ste. Marie. Alpha, if you want to have a drink. Nice beer, established in 1920. There's a lot of historical places here, people. So Sault Ste. Marie, they have a lot of beautiful buildings, taking shots everywhere. Seems like they're made out of rock. This is how they build them. Beautiful colors in the background.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, nice beer. And I love that they do this. Throughout the whole city here in Sault Ste. Marie, they have these for vets, and I think it's spectacular. Ooh, they have windows, beautiful fall colors. Just absolutely gorgeous. And check this out, people. This is the first city that I come to visit. They got paintings on the crosswalk. We saw a big pepper in the background. This is the whole thing.